Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best mini PC in 2026 for gaming, business, content creation, home office work, or everyday multitasking, then you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 best mini PCs that deliver powerful performance in compact designs. These small desktop computers offer fast processors, modern connectivity, 4K display support, and impressive efficiency without taking up much desk space. Make sure to stay until the end because the number 1 mini PC on this list delivers serious desktop-level performance in a tiny package. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. ACEMAGIC M5 Mini PC, Intel Core 14500HX. This compact powerhouse comes with 16 GB RAM, a 512 GB SSD, Windows 11 Pro, and a powerful HX-class processor capable of boosting up to 4.9 GHz. It also supports triple 4K displays through HDMI and DisplayPort outputs. Despite its small size, this mini PC handles multitasking, office work, streaming, productivity, and even light content creation with ease. Pros: powerful Intel Core 14500HX processor, fast performance for multitasking, triple 4K display support, compact design saves desk space, Wi-Fi 6 and modern connectivity. The ACEMAGIC M5 delivers excellent all-around performance for professionals, students, and home users who want a fast and reliable compact PC. If you want the best overall mini PC in 2026 for productivity and multitasking, this is an outstanding choice. Number 2. KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC. This system includes 16 GB RAM, a 512 GB SSD, triple 4K display support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and multiple connectivity options including HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB Type-C. The Ryzen processor delivers solid efficiency and smooth everyday performance for home, office, and business tasks. Pros: excellent value for the price, energy-efficient Ryzen processor, triple 4K display support, compact and quiet operation, good connectivity options. The Pinova P2 focuses on affordability and reliable daily performance. It's a great mini PC for office work, streaming, browsing, and light productivity. If you want a budget-friendly mini PC with solid performance, this model is definitely worth considering. Number 3. KAMRUI Pinova P1 Mini PC. This model also uses the AMD Ryzen 4300U processor, but comes with a slightly smaller 256 GB SSD. It supports triple 4K displays, USB-C connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet support. Its compact form factor makes it ideal for classrooms, offices, and small desk setups. Pros: compact and lightweight design, smooth everyday performance, triple display support, good connectivity for work and education, affordable pricing. The Pinova P1 is a dependable and affordable mini PC that handles everyday computing tasks very well. For users looking for a compact work or study computer, this mini PC offers excellent value. Number 4. BOSGAME P3 Mini Gaming PC. This compact gaming-focused system includes 16 GB DDR5 RAM, a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and triple display support. The Ryzen 7 processor and fast DDR5 memory make it powerful enough for gaming, editing, multitasking, and demanding workloads. Pros: powerful Ryzen 7 7840SH processor, fast DDR5 RAM and PCIe 4.0 SSD, excellent multitasking performance, compact gaming-ready design, modern Wi-Fi 6E connectivity. The BOSGAME P3 offers impressive performance for gamers and power users who need desktop-level speed in a compact form factor. If you want a powerful mini gaming PC with strong performance, this is a fantastic option. Number 5. GMKtec M7 Ultra Mini Gaming PC. This system features the AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 6850U processor, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, a 512 GB PCIe SSD, dual USB 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, USB-C, and dual 2.5G LAN connectivity. One of the biggest highlights is the OakLink support, which allows users to connect external GPUs for expanded gaming and graphics performance. Pros: massive 32GB DDR5 RAM, OakLink support for external GPUs, dual USB 4 and HDMI 2.1 connectivity, excellent multitasking performance, strong networking features with dual LAN ports. The GMKtec M7 Ultra is built for enthusiasts who want high-speed performance and future upgrade potential in a tiny PC. If you want a feature-packed mini PC with advanced connectivity and upgrade options, this is an excellent high-performance choice. So that was our list of the top 5 best mini PCs in 2026. If you want the best overall productivity performance, the ACEMAGIC M5 is the clear winner. If you want gaming power in a compact size, the BOSGAME P3 and GMKtec M7 Ultra are fantastic choices. And if you're shopping on a budget, the KAMRUI models offer excellent value for everyday use. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and buying guides. And let us know in the comments, which mini PC would you choose for your setup?